In this video, I'm about to show you how to fix corrupted data on PS5 Minecraft. Before attempting any fixes, make sure to back up your save files. They are usually located in save data, then game/app data and Minecraft. Restart your PS5 in safe mode and rebuild the database. To do this, turn off your PS5 completely, then press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Then connect your DualSense controller with a USB cable, press the PS button, and select Rebuild Database from the menu. This process can help fix corrupted data. If you have a PlayStation Plus subscription, you can use online storage to back up and restore your saved data. Next, go to Settings and Save Data, and Game/App Settings, then Cloud Storage. Choose Minecraft, select Upload to Online Storage, and wait for the transfer to complete. After backing up your data, delete the corrupted save file and download it back from online storage. Then go to Settings and Save Data and Game/App Settings, Save Data in Minecraft. Next, locate the corrupted data, press the Options button on your controller, and select Delete. This will remove the corrupted data. If none of the above methods work, you may need to contact PlayStation Support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.